Hello KaFam! Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. These days have been cloudy and rainy, so we thought to take things slow. Can you remember this in our gardening video? It is finally starting to bloom. Link will be provided in the description box. This video is as per request of Adeline Anesco from Germany. This is our first ever rock painting experience, and we will share what we have learned and our story through the colors and paint brushes. I never thought that rock painting can be simple. We might take it for granted, but rocks are very easy to find. Just have a look somewhere around you. It doesn't have to be perfect since rocks comes with natural different shapes and sizes. This activity is totally for everyone and is inexpensive because you can just use whatever coloring materials you have, and don't worry much about the paint brushes because hand rock painting sounds fun too. We are using watercolor, but acrylic paint is best for rock painting.
Just say excited, Nanay.
Now we understand why rock painting is therapeutic. We enjoyed having a quiet time to focus on happy thoughts with the strokes of our paint brushes.
Say thank you. Thank you, Kiki. You're welcome. Wow, look at mine. Thank you, Nanay. You're the best. Okay.
We love the calm type of energy that we can feel as we see individual colors starting to blend with the others, and you see a whole new different color. Basically, having the primary colors is enough to create something very artistic. Adding one color to the other is an exciting experiment, especially for children. They will be mesmerized. One special benefit that we can get through rock painting is the renewal of our connection to Mother Nature. It sounds deep, but it is simple as a connection to nature with a sense of touch. If you can think of, when was the last time you held a piece of rock on your hands? Research says that direct contact to nature increases mental health and psychological and spiritual development. Not everyone might know, but rock painting could be the start of your own business. There has been an increased demand for this kind of crafts in the market as home decoration, piece for playing games, and as a gift to family and friends.
So cute.
Our story? We are Nanay and Claire, and we will stand by each other. We love flowers a lot in any colors and wishing to see butterflies around. We love the colors of rainbow as it reminds us to be hopeful and be happy always. Christmas is where our hearts are. There's no more magical season than Christmas for us. Simple, but that's what makes our world right now and for years to come. We hope this video will inspire people to try what you can be capable of. Truly, art is a freedom of expression because you don't have to follow a rule. All you need is a little inspiration to start painting and believe you can. Love, Nanay and Claire.